Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to use auto caption feature in CapCut. So the auto captions can be used to add the auto subtitle for your video, and here is how to do that. So first, import your clips, for example like this, with a conversation or a song, and after that just click on text, and here you'll see auto caption feature. So just click on that, and here you can choose the sound source, both the voiceover or original sound, or just a voiceover or original sound, and then select the language in the video. And then after that, if you are on CapCut Pro, you can also identify filler words and pauses, and also use the dynamic captions feature. But if you're not, you can just uncheck this, and after that just click on start and wait for the magic to happen. So the auto caption will be created in a minute, and if you play the video, the caption will be there in the video. Okay, so that's all from me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to click on the thumbs up icon, leave a comment, click on the thanks below, and subscribe. I'll catch you all in the following videos. Bye.